right, we're gonna change this. And it's a twist off. Sheesh. Ta-da! Unplug everything. Once you get that unplugged, the thing just kind of pops right out. Woo. Okay, next, gotta take this boot off. I guess we gotta take all these things off. And voila, the boot is off. These clips come off pretty easy. Just use this tool. Comes with 3 screws, and the back plate goes this way, I guess. This is how you get in reverse. It's that little pull tab thing here. You have to zip tie that down. Okay, everything's zip tied. The old cable's zip tied down for the reverse. The reverse pull down is zip tied as well. And voila, gated shifter. Look at that. Nice.